When you're working with ARR, annual recurring revenue, and MRR, monthly recurring revenue, one of the key insights you can gain is how these metrics relate to customer lifetime value, or CLTV for short, and churn. Both CLTV and churn are essential for understanding the long-term profitability of your business and the sustainability of your recurring revenue streams. By analyzing these factors alongside ARR and MRR, you can make more informed decisions about customer retention, pricing strategies, and overall growth. Customer lifetime value, CLTV, is a metric that measures the total revenue you can expect from a customer over the entire duration of their relationship with your business. ARR and MRR provide a consistent revenue baseline, allowing you to more accurately calculate CLTV. For instance, if you know your average ARR or MRR per customer, you can estimate how much revenue a typical customer will generate over time. A high ARR or MRR typically indicates that your customers are bringing in consistent, predictable income, which is essential for calculating CLTV. The higher the ARR or MRR, the greater the potential value each customer brings to your business over their lifetime. Knowing your CLTV is crucial because it helps you determine how much you can afford to spend on acquiring new customers, CAC, or customer acquisition cost, while maintaining profitability. If you're bringing in significant recurring revenue from each customer, you may be able to justify spending more on marketing and sales to acquire new clients, knowing that the long-term value of each customer will more than cover the acquisition cost. Essentially, CLTV gives you a clearer understanding of the potential return on investment, ROI, for acquiring new customers, and when combined with ARR or MRR, you can more effectively plan for future growth. However, it's not just about acquiring new customers. Churn analysis is equally important in assessing your business's long-term health. Churn refers to the rate at which customers stop subscribing to your service or product. If your churn rate is high, it means that your recurring revenue model is under threat. Tracking churn alongside ARR and MRR helps you understand how much of your revenue is at risk due to customer loss. For example, if your MRR is growing but your churn rate is also high, it suggests that while you're gaining new customers, you're also losing a significant number of them, which could limit the effectiveness of your growth efforts. On the other hand, if your churn rate is low and your ARR or MRR is consistently increasing, it's a positive sign that your customer base is not only growing but also staying loyal. This stability provides a stronger foundation for scaling your business. Understanding churn in the context of ARR and MRR allows you to make more precise adjustments to your customer retention strategies. For instance, if your churn is high, you may want to invest more in improving customer satisfaction, enhancing your product offerings, or adjusting your pricing strategy to better retain your customers. By analyzing CLTV and churn together with ARR and MRR, you can refine your strategies for customer acquisition and retention. For example, if you know that your customers have a high lifetime value but are at risk of churning, it might prompt you to implement strategies such as customer loyalty programs, personalized communication, or product improvements that enhance the customer experience. Alternatively, if your churn is low and your CLTV is high, you can confidently scale your customer acquisition efforts, knowing that the new customers you bring on will likely generate significant recurring revenue over time. In conclusion, CLTV and churn analysis provide valuable insights when paired with ARR and MRR. Together, these metrics help you understand the true value of your customers, assess the health of your recurring revenue model, and make informed decisions about scaling your business. Whether it's improving customer retention, optimizing your marketing spend, or adjusting your pricing, these insights allow you to maximize profitability and ensure sustainable, long-term growth for your company.